Good evening, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So today's Navajo Word of the Day is not really going to be a word, but really a phrase. MrPaulMaine had asked how you would say, what do you call this in Navajo? What do you call that in Navajo? This way, if you were to ask somebody what you call something in Navajo, you would know how to say the phrase. So to say something like, what do you call a cell phone in Navajo? You would say, cell phone, Haash, wolyé, Dinék'ehjígo. A cell phone, Haash, wolyé, Dinék'ehjígo. You can say it that way, or if you want to say, what do you call this in Navajo, but you had to specify what it is, like, you would have to say, like, Haash, wolyé, Dinék'ehjígo. D meaning this. Haash, wolyé, Dinék'ehjígo. What do you call this? So if you want to enhance your Navajo speaking ability and you want to know how to ask, how to say something, that's how you would say it. So that's today's Navajo phrase of the day. I appreciate any kind of comments that you guys shoot at me, any recommendations. And a recommendation was made to possibly do groups of items all at once. I am considering doing numbers all at once, doing colors all at once, so that you guys will know how to say groups of things as opposed to one word every day. So that's today's Navajo phrase of the day. I hope you enjoy it, and that's how you say that in Navajo. Cell phone. Haash, wolyé, Dinék'ehjígo, or Haash, wolyé, Dinék'ehjígo. What is this call, or what do you call this? Have a good evening.